Alright, today we have this 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500. This corner light is out. Instead of removing the headlight, what I did was remove the wheel well. Not all the way, but just expose it enough. I removed the bolts that are here, holding down the liner, and the one that's right here. So I'm able to get a little bit more access all the way to like right here, I think. All up in there. You can see it here. Perfect access here. Kind of difficult to get to, but you should be able to get it from right here and replace that bulb that is out. All right, and there it is. The top one is burnt out, so we'll just replace this light bulb with a replacement and we should be good. It's the amber, not the turn signal, that is out. All right, I have these 7443s and they look like they are the ones for this year. Same position, same everything. It looks to be the exact same thing. I'm gonna just throw on this little glove here because it's recommended not to touch the light bulbs with your fingers because you have oils on your fingers, and doing so will make the light bulb last shorter. I don't know, that's what they said. So I wiped it down. I'm gonna install it here. Everything should fit into place. Hopefully, I'm gonna use both hands. Sweet, and before we try it out, let's turn on the light. All right, so I turn on the amber and I turn on the blinkers. So amber is on and blinker is blinking. Fantastic. Let's slap it back into place and we should be good. To remove it, you turn towards the engine. To install it, turn towards the passenger side. This is probably going to be the hardest part, going in there blindfolded. But once you have it in there, lock it down and you'll feel it click. Sweet. Put my glove away, and now we'll put everything back into place. Slip this wheel well back in here. I did have it caught back here by the tire, so it kind of helped me out pry it, and then we'll slip everything back into place. All right, and to remove everything and put everything back in, I use a Torx 15, and I'll just put in the bolts and we're good to go. Sweet. That's basically it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe.